This small box is an enamel on copper object with gilt metal mounts, made at a South Staffordshire factory in England around 1770. The squat, rounded body is white with laurel-leaf molded decoration. Swags, latticework, and scrolling foliate patterns covering the surface, while small scattered bouquets of hand-painted roses, violets, and yellow flowers in polychrome enamels animate the reserved white panels. The flat oval lid repeats this floral motif at its center, ringed by delicate molded lacework, and a gilt brass mount with a beaded edge joins lid to base. Objects like this were produced in great numbers in the Staffordshire region during the mid to late 18th century to serve as patch boxes, snuff boxes, or trinket containers for fashionable consumers who sought affordable alternatives to the costly continental porcelain and gold boxes favored by the aristocracy. The piece exemplifies the ingenuity of the South Staffordshire enamel industry, which adapted transfer printing and painted decoration to copper blanks at a scale and price that brought luxury aesthetics within reach of the prosperous middle class, making objects like this significant documents of 18th century consumer culture. This description was written by Claude Anthropic's AI, with narration by Kokoro text-to-speech.